In this video, we'll walk you step by step through how to change the administrator account or accounts on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more guides like this. To begin, you'll need to be signed in with an administrator account. Click the Windows icon, then select Accounts. From here, you can switch to an administrator account if needed. This might be called admin or another name. In this case, I'm already signed in as an administrator. Next, open the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Once it opens, click on User Accounts, then click User Accounts again at the top. After that, select Manage Another Account. To make an account an administrator, click on the account you want to change, choose Change the Account Type, select Administrator, and then confirm your choice. That's it, the account is now an administrator. If you want to remove administrator access from another account, go back to Manage Another Account, select the account, click Change the Account Type, choose Standard, and confirm the change. You can have multiple administrator accounts on the same computer, and you can add or remove administrator access at any time using these steps.